Look at this boy trying to put handcuffs to the refrigerator and get out.
And they
oh my
real.
god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Look what I'm about to do. No! They hurt.
Every time we open it, hurts. Yeah, he see the handcuffs.
I tried putting spray on them. Didn't work. Yeah, so we gotta put glue. No! Slipper, he can't sleep out of there. We need some butter.
What's your last name?
We got butter.
Car. Shalik Car. Shalik Car.
It's trash.
Shalik Car is strapped.
Shalik Car.
Shalik, whatever you want to call it. So Shalik Car is stuck
On the
refrigerators
real
and
handcuffs.
rail handcuffs.
Come on, you mother.
Come pause.
Ow! Ow! Can you do something? When I get out of these things, I'm gonna hurt you, Mommy.
Y'all, we gonna jump him.
I ain't helping.
Boy, if you're wrong. This is so sad.
Is he crying? Just do what he Mario did, nibble it. I can't do that. I can't even reach my head over here.
That's the good thing about being skinny. And
Okay, Q, put some water. Oh, puppy, nibble, 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 nibble.
I'm gonna put this on. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Keep recording.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Boom.
I'm putting this on YouTube. Malik, sit down somewhere. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Real? Oh, we should have funny videos too.
Key. Should have brought the key with
Bro, bend it down a little bit to see the floor. Alright, that's good. Alright. Hold on. I'm about to chill.
This boy is so mad.
I'm gonna hurt you.
I'm about to chill.
Malik, sit down somewhere.
Oh,
Check yourself. Look at this fool.
so they can put it on your
Go to boys.com.
camera. Turn the camera. Turn the camera.
Boy, if you're
Oh, it's real dark now. Boy, the boogeyman coming.
We gonna leave him. We gonna leave him here the whole night.
What? I got a pool number 2. Yeah.
That fool gay.
Yo, next person is gonna be in that shower.
Going on.
Ooh, stop it.